Tristan, where do I even begin? I guess I can begin at the beginning. So let's go back to our first date, or our second date, or our first real date, the date we got into the car accident.
A treasure that's always been hiding. The first time that I see inside it and realize it's
Laurin, starting today until my last day, I promise to be loving, caring, and understanding.
The first thing you did after we got hit was make sure that I was okay. And then you proceeded to ignore what I told you not to do and went over to the other car to check on them and told them you were sorry. You put everyone else before yourself and handled the whole situation so maturely. And damn, was it hot.
I promise to be patient, even on those days you're slapping me awake for the 5 a.m. sunrise runs. I promise to be present no matter how tired I am after a hard day at work.
You showed me how compassionate, selfless, and caring you are. You have continued to show me this every single day since then.
I promise to love and protect you through anything life throws our way. And I always promise to prevent you from running into random strangers when we're dancing in public.
You refill my water even after you sit down. You wake up before sunrise on a weekend day to run with me. You pick me up when I'm out drinking, and you hang out with my friends even when you don't want to.
Most importantly, I promise to be the best husband, dog dad, and one day, actual dad that you've ever seen.
I mean, I can go on and on about all the things you do that make me feel like a princess. You have stuck with me and supported me through so many ups and downs already, and it makes me so confident that we're gonna make it through anything.
Laurin, you mean the world to me, and there is no length I wouldn't go to make you happy.
We can go anywhere. We can go anywhere. 'Cause we got the world and we
With you, I feel like we can take on any challenge life throws at us. I vow to stay with you through it all. I vow to care for you, to support you, to put you first.
I don't know if you remember this or not, but I made you a promise when we first started dating. I told you while we were walking through the villages at Bridgewater, about 2 weeks into the relationship, that I was gonna marry you.
You did.
And today, I'm staying good on that promise.
To love you and to wake your grumpy morning ass up every single day for the rest of our life. I love you so much, Tristan. Like maybe to the moon and back.
So where do we go? We can go anywhere. We can go anywhere. 'Cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. So where do we go from here?
I love you so much. Some would say to the moon and back. Now let's do this damn thing.
By the authority vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Tristan, you may kiss your bride.
It's a brand new day. I know it's gonna be
special day. It's such a blessing. I want to thank God for this wonderful day that He's given us. Nothing would be more better. I'm so happy, and I could not be more proud of my daughter and my new son-in-law. Thank you.
November of '96, I was born, and in October of '97, Laurin came. Our mothers got to raise us together, a dream of every girl and their best friend. And as soon as Laurin was able to walk, I made sure she was by my side at all times.
It's a brand new day.
He is a wholehearted cutie patootie, and look at him. I've never seen him with a straight face. He's always smiling ear to ear. Even his voice has a giggle to it, and he's just so happy all the time.
Let's turn it up and let the music play. 'Cause honey,
Now, once we went our separate ways for college, I prayed and wished the absolute best for Tristan, and I can say without a shred of a doubt, he truly found it with Laurin. Laurin, I cannot thank you enough for loving and caring for my best friend. You bring happiness to him that I've only seen while he's scarfing down a Route 30 burger.
it's a
I
brand
love
new
you,
day.
Laurin. We have so much fun together. You are my family, and we are a part of each other in ways that is hard to describe and some will never experience.
Now, despite the initial fear that I was making friends with a 30-year-old man, he grew to become someone that I would take a bullet for, and a man that I was honored to have next to me at my wedding, as I am now for his.
Let's turn it up and let the
Everybody
music
can raise their glass. Cheers to a lifetime of love and happiness.
Now, please, everyone, raise your drinks and give me a hell yeah for the new Mr. and Mrs. Daywall. Come on! Come on!